Hello. Let's solve particular types of linear equation. What is this particular type? Again, let's see. The coefficients of the variables are interchanged in the given two equations. Let's see the question. Solve the following simultaneous linear equations. First equation is given to us, 24x minus 25y is equal to 195 and 25x minus 24y is equal to 197. Here if you observe, the coefficient of x, which is 24, is the coefficient of y in second equation, 24. And here it is minus 25 or 25, let's see, and here it is this 25y, this is 25x, and in between the sign is same, subtraction. So both this equation are of having subtraction sign in between the variables. Now for solving this, what we will do, we will add these equations 1 and 2, and then we will subtract these given equations to get two simple equations in x and y. Let's add this equation 1 and 2. If we write the first equation, 24x minus 25y is equal to 195, equation number 1. And the second equation is 25x minus 24y is equal to 197. Now for addition, we get, therefore, what is the addition of this? 4 plus 5 is 9, 2 plus 2, 4. 49x minus 49y is equal to 7 plus 5, 12, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19, 1 carry, 1, 2, 3. So this is the new equation we have got. Here the coefficients are 49. Let's divide this equation by 49. We can get 49x, here it is, upon 49 minus 49y divided by 49 and 392 divided by 49. My dear students, you will get here such numbers which will be divisible by these numbers. So if you don't get it, means you may have gone wrong somewhere. So this will give us x minus y. This get cancelled. And now let's check by which number we get division. So it's 49. This number is ending with 9. Let's have some rough calculation. In table of 9, where do we get this 2? As this number is less than 490, the answer is going to be less than 10. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 14, 9 threes are 27. This is not 2. 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72. So is it possible that it is the product of 49? 8s are, let's check. So 9 8s or 8 9s are 72. 7 carry, 7 8 4s are 32 plus 7. 32 plus 7 gives us 39. Yes, we can see that this product is 392. So 49 ones are, and here it is 8s are. Okay. So we got this equation x minus y is equal to 8. Let's say this is the equation number 3. Now let's subtract the given two equations. While subtraction, we need to be careful that which equation should be written first. If you write the equation where the coefficient of the first variable is bigger, it means the first variable is x. Now which is bigger? 24 is bigger or 25? We can see that 25 is bigger. Hence, let's write equation number 2 first. So if we take equation 2 minus equation 1, this will give us, so let's write 25x minus 24y is equal to 197, and then equation number 1, that is 24x minus 25y is equal to 195. As we have to do subtraction, we have to change the sign. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, because this plus, minus into plus becomes minus, minus minus plus, and this is plus will again become minus. Now for the subtraction, 25 minus 24, will give us 1x, that is only x, minus 24 plus 25. Minus 24 plus 25 will give us difference 1, and the difference is positive 1. So it is plus y is equal to, now 197 minus 195 will give us 2. So this is our equation number 4. Now we have got these two very simple equations in x and y. We have got 1 by addition x minus y and by subtraction x plus y. Okay. So these two equations, if we add it further, equation 3 and equation 4, what will happen? Right? X minus y is equal to 8. X plus y is equal to 2. Therefore, 2x is equal to, this y will get eliminated, it's 10, and hence x is equal to 2 5s are 10, so it is x is equal to 5. And if we substitute this value of x in any one of the equation, preferably in where we have plus sign, so if x plus y is equal to 2, so substituting x is equal to 5 here, so 5 plus y is equal to 2, hence y is equal to 2 minus 5, and that means y is equal to minus 3. We can verify this x and y whether correct or not by substituting in x minus y. If it is 5 minus 3 is plus 3, 5 plus 3 it is 8. So this is simple verification, will give us confidence that our answer is correct, and then we can write our solution or answer that x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 3. This is our last final answer. So we have learned this particular type of solving equation. Once addition, once subtraction, we get equation 3 and 4, and we have to add these two equations to get the value of the variables. Thank you.